Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Skillvolution and welcome back to our another tutorial on Photoshop. So today we are going to discuss about blending modes and wait. What the heck are blending modes? Yeah, good question. So basically blending mode allows you to control the transparency, brightness and color of the different layers, which can really enhance the overall look of your image. I see. But why do we need blending modes? So let's say that you have two layers, one background layer and second one is text layer. By using blending modes, you can make the text layer blend seamlessly to your background layer and create a cool effect. Interesting. Can you give me the example of blending modes? Yeah, sure thing. So here are some common blending modes and their effects. So first one is normal. This is the default blending mode and simply layers one image on the another with no blending effects. Okay. Second commonly used blending mode is multiply. This blending mode multiplies the colors in the underlying layer with the colors in top layers. In short, multiply blending mode eliminates the lighter colors in the top layer and blend in such a way it results darker and richer colors. The next commonly used blending mode is screen. So this blending mode is completely opposite to the multiply, where it lightens the colors in underlying layers with the colors in top layer. In short, screen eliminates the darker colors of the top layers. I hope so guys you have understood what we have discussed till now. So let's move on to our next blending mode. So our next blending mode is overlay. So this blending mode combines the effects of multiply and screen and results in higher contrast and higher saturation. Just like this we are seeing here in this example. It has increased the saturation and the contrast value of that image. Okay. Oh, nice one here. Nice one. Really nice one. So our next blending mode is soft light. So soft light is similar to overlay but with a softer effect and it adds the gentle light to the underlying layer. Okay. Oh, that sounds pretty good. But one problem is there. How do you choose which blending mode to use? Yeah, correct question. There are a ton of blending modes to choose from and each with their own unique effect. So it's all about the experimentation and finding the one that works best for your image. Oh, got it, yeah. But how we can apply the blending modes in Photoshop? Didn't seen that now? No, I am only paying attention on effects of that blending modes. So I forgot to see how to apply. So you can please show me again. Okay, let's check it again. So it's simple. Just select the layer you want to apply the blending mode to and go to the blending mode drop down in the layers panel. From there you can choose the blending mode which you want to choose. Like this, we have applied multiply for now and we have discussed how multiply works. Correct. Awesome. Thanks for explaining that. This blending mode stuff sounds like it can really take my editing skills at the next level. Exactly. With blending modes, the possibilities are endless. So go out there and start experimenting. So guys, blending mode is a small topic, but it's interesting and effective topic which we have discussed today. And I hope you have understood all the things we have discussed. Okay, and comment down below which blending mode is favorite of yours. And nothing. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.